In this video, we're going to go through the minting process in the Sologenic NFT Marketplace. Before minting and collecting NFTs, we need to connect a wallet to the DEX. You can use a private wallet such as a Zoom or create a new one using the Solo DEX app. Once you have downloaded your wallet to your computer or phone, click on Connect Wallet and follow the steps. Let's begin minting by tapping on Explore NFT and then the Mint button on the right-hand side of the page. Here you will be shown where you can upload a collection image and a background image. This is optional but highly recommended for better visibility of your project on the marketplace. You will then enter a name and description for your NFT project. Remember, to connect your wallet to the DEX on your computer, you need to scan the QR code on the DEX. Once you hit Next, you can click on Add NFT. You're going to click on Confirm. And once your Solo has been burned and the transaction has been approved, you will then be prompted to upload your file. This is where you will upload your NFT project. You may select category that better matches your NFT. Give it a name and feel free to include an external link that might give potential buyers more information about your project. Now you can add some property specifics that will help your NFT stand out on the platform. This could be something like landscape photography, pop music, etc. You have the option to mark your NFT as explicit content, but make sure to enable it if you are uploading 18+ material only. If you create explicit NFTs without enabling this option, it may be reported and removed. Once your NFT has been processed, you will seal the transaction using your private wallet or the Solo Wallet app. Here you will click on Activate, and then you will click on Sign to seal the NFT. Click on Finish, click on Confirm, and here you can scroll down to where it says Minted or Activity. This is where you will see your first published NFT project. Congratulations on minting your first NFT.